Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Homemade versus store-bought dips. Both have their place. Homemade lets you control flavors, while store-bought saves time. Here's how to decide. Homemade pros. Fresh, bold flavors, no preservatives. Customizable spice levels and textures. Impressive for gatherings. Store-bought pros. Quick and convenient. Consistent taste every time. Great in a pinch. If you're short on time, a quality store-bought dip can still shine. But if you've got 10 extra minutes, whisking up a simple aioli or spicy mayo takes your rings to the next level. Recipes for must-try onion ring dips. Onion rings are delicious on their own, but the right dip transforms them into something unforgettable. While classics like ketchup and ranch are always reliable, a few standout homemade dips can elevate your snack game. Here are 3 recipes, some with a kick, some creamy, and all packed with flavor. Spicy sriracha mayo. This dip brings heat without overwhelming the onion's sweetness. It's creamy, tangy, and just spicy enough to keep you reaching for more. Ingredients. Mayonnaise, sriracha. Adjust for heat preference. Lime juice, garlic powder, pinch of salt. How to make it. Whisk everything together in a bowl until smooth. For extra depth, add a teaspoon of honey to balance the heat. Let it sit for 10 minutes before serving to let the flavors meld. Perfect for beer battered onion rings or thick-cut sweet onions. Creamy avocado ranch. A fresher take on classic ranch, this version adds ripe avocado for a smooth texture and mild herby flavor. Ingredients. Ripe avocado, mashed sour cream, buttermilk, chopped fresh dill, onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. How to make it. Blend the avocado, sour cream, and buttermilk until creamy. Stir in the dill and onion powder. Season with salt and pepper. If it's too thick, thin it with a splash of buttermilk. Perfect for lightly breaded or panko-crusted onion rings. Tangy barbecue sauce with a twist. Store-bought barbecue sauce works fine, but this homemade version adds a smoky sweet kick with a hint of acidity. Ingredients. Ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, smoked paprika, Worcestershire sauce, cayenne. Optional. How to make it. Simmer all ingredients in a small saucepan for 5 minutes over low heat, stirring often. Let it cool before serving. For extra tang, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Perfect for thick-cut, heavily seasoned onion rings with a crispy coating. Each of these dips takes minutes to make but adds layers of flavor. Whether you prefer spice, creaminess, or tang, there's a match for every onion ring style. Serving and presentation tips. Even the crispiest onion rings and most flavorful dips won't impress if they look messy on the plate. Good presentation makes the experience better. Bright colors, balanced textures, and thoughtful pairings turn a simple snack into something special. Here's how to serve them like a pro, whether you're hosting friends or just treating yourself. Plating techniques for visual appeal. A well-arranged plate makes onion rings irresistible. Try these tricks to make them look as good as they taste. Stack them tall. Pile rings vertically in a small tower or nestle them in a wide-rimmed bowl. The height adds drama. Use contrasting colors. Arrange rings on a dark slate board or vibrant plate to make the golden brown pop. Add a sprinkle of chopped parsley or chives for freshness. Drizzle, don't drown. For thicker dips like aioli or avocado ranch, drizzle lightly over the top of a few rings instead of submerging them. It keeps the rest crispy. Let the dip shine. Serve dips in small ramekins or shallow dishes next to the rings. A swirl of sauce on the plate underneath adds flair. If you're serving a crowd, skip individual plates. Use a large wooden board or tiered stand for easy sharing. Just keep napkins handy. Things will get crispy and messy fast. Pairing with other snacks and beverages. Onion rings are a star, but they play well with others. Build a balanced spread with these combos. Snack pairings. Burgers or sliders. The classic diner duo never fails. Pickles or olives. Their acidity cuts through the richness. Cheese boards. Sharp cheddar or smoked Gouda adds contrast. Drinks. Beer. A cold lager or IPA balances the greasy crunch. Iced tea. Sweet or unsweet, it's refreshing against salty batter. Sparkling lemonade. The bubbles cleanse the palate between bites. For parties, set up a DIY, ring and dip, bar. Label each dip with a tiny chalkboard or toothpick flag so guests can mix and match. Include small bowls for sampling, no double dipping needed. A little effort in presentation goes a long way. Your onion rings deserve it. Onion rings shine brightest when paired with the right dip. Whether you keep it classic with ranch or venture into spicy sriracha mayo, the perfect combination turns a simple snack into something memorable. Don't settle for the same old routine. Try new flavors, mix homemade dips, and find your ideal match. Share your favorite recipe in the comments. We'd love to hear what makes your onion rings unforgettable. Happy dipping! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.